What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. This is All Things Bearded. In today's episode, we're checking out a brand new company, Modern Beard Company. We have 2 scents to go ahead and check out today. We have an oil and a butter to look at. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that button down below. Now that all that stuff is officially out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So like I said, in today's episode, we're checking out Modern Beard Company. We'll go ahead and start with the beard oils first. Now these come in a 1 ounce amber bottle, standard dropper top on top of it. The labeling is fantastic and it's just like the name of the company. It is modern. You do have the name of the scent on the front of it. On the side, you have a carrot oil blend, and on the other side, you have directions on how to use it. The only thing missing from these labels, in my personal opinion, is a scent profile broke down on the side of the label. It's not a deal breaker. I'm just a huge advocate for that. Now, one of these beard oils will run you $22, but you can use promo code ATB15, save you 15% off of your order, and it's no way, shape, or form a kickback to me. And also, it is worth saying that a portion of all of the sales do go to organizations to assist veterans. I think that's fantastic. I would love to know what those organizations are. So maybe we'll find out in the comments section, or it'll be on the website in sometime in the near future. Now I'll go ahead and check out this carrier oil blend. It is all organic, it's all natural. This carrier blend does consist of jojoba, argan, sweet almond, rosehip, and then essential oils only. You won't find fragrance oils from Modern Beard Company. They're really trying to keep this as all natural as possible. So keep that in mind, but with essential oils only, just know the scent duration will not last as long as it would with fragrance oils. I'm getting a couple of hours out of this and that's it, but it's not a huge deal breaker for me. Now, as far as feeling beard is concerned, 0 complaints with this carrier blend. It really did leave my beard feeling healthy. It didn't dry it out, and it had a fantastic job as far as styling is concerned with this beard oil in my beard. So overall, all 3 of those checked off what I'm looking for out of my beard oils. So it's a job well done as far as feeling beard is concerned. Let's go ahead and check out the 2 scents that we have for today's review. Now the first scent that we have to check out is called Woodland. This is a scent profile of Texas cedar, Atlas cedar, and vanilla. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now when I smell this one right here, definitely have the cedar up front, and you have a rich warm vanilla on the back end. So it's just a woodsy scent with a light vanilla on the back end. It is balanced out perfectly. Nothing really is overpowering. Smells great. It didn't last as long as I would usually want a beard oil to last, but hey, that's what you're getting with essential oils. So if you're into the cedar woods, I highly advise this one right here for you to check out, and that's Woodland from Modern Beard Company. So the next scent that I have to go over is called Fresh Citrus, and this is just orange and vanilla. Like I said, pretty straightforward. It was my wife's favorite, I believe, out of both of these scents. This one right here, orange creamsicle all day, just fresh orange up front, warm, rich vanilla on the back end. Perfect for the time of weather as far as when this video is being recorded. So summertime weather right here with Fresh Citrus. I'll be rocking this one a couple times during the week as far as summertime is concerned. Fantastic job. Like I said, nothing really overpowering, just smooth, simple, and fantastic scents right here with Modern Beard Company. So Fresh Citrus, orange creamsicle, job well done. Check it out. Now we also have the beard butters to go over today. These come in a 3.4 ounce glass jar. Glass jars over plastic containers any day of the week for me personally. I have this in the Woodland scent, which we've already went over. These retail for $26, but like I said, you can use that promo code ATB15. Save yourself 15% off of your order. Now these butters do consist of shea butter, mango butter, sweet almond oil, argan, coconut, beeswax, vitamin E, and then the essential oils. Now the one thing that I really did love about this glass jar container was the lip on top of the beard butter. Literally, you can just peel this right off, you're good to go. You can even put it back when you're not using it. You don't have to go through any packaging to really get to your beard butter, which I love. Now, as far as the beard butter is concerned, feeling beard was amazing. Left my beard feeling super soft no matter when I used this, so I know it was getting well conditioned with this beard butter. Use it during the daytime and at night. I didn't really notice the beeswax as far as a hold is concerned, but did a great job. Now, overall with Modern Beard Company, if you are somebody that doesn't want a real long scent duration to last, this company right here is especially for you, so definitely check them out. They have a couple more scents listed on their website, so check those out as well. But overall, I was really pleased with the company. The beard butter in particular was the star of the show in my opinion, so definitely check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.